Hello friends, welcome back to the my video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys, Bluetooth setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we connect guys headphone with our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to connect guys headphone with your Samsung phone device, so how can you connect and how can you use guys Samsung phone Bluetooth setting guys. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So friends, open your phone setting to connect guys your headphone. After on phone setting is you can see this type of setting friends. Click on guys your phone connection setting. Friends, click on your phone Bluetooth setting guys. Friends, first of all guys we will on guys our headphones. So first turn on guys your headphone guys first of all. After on guys we will click on our phone Bluetooth by we will turn on it. Then I wait for a while. Friends, you can see guys your earphone name. Oh guys, headphone name. So guys click on your guys headphone name. And friends, click on guys this right side pair option to connect. Friends, you can see connected guys. Guys now guys we can use guys this headphone guys while using any app like YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, any app guys you can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to connect headphone. Bye guys.